Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to make money on YouTube with affiliate marketing. If this is your first time to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home. And if those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos, which right now is on a daily basis. I apologize for my voice. I think it's some sinus drainage. Hopefully you can hear me throughout this video. First of all, I want to show you affiliate marketing can be a very lucrative way to make money on YouTube. I'm going to show you some examples of what I've been able to do lately. And results are not typical. It doesn't mean that you're going to make this kind of money, but just show you what is possible. I have multiple streams of income. You can see some of them right there. Here's some more here. Just what I've been able to do lately. Strictly through YouTube. There's a $500 day. A $1,000 day. I've had a few of those lately. But let's just talk about what can you do with affiliate marketing. How to make money with YouTube. First of all, you want to focus on things people are already looking for. And then you want to add value, be helpful. Don't look at this as like you're trying to sell something, but really look at what kinds of questions people have, and you're going to provide solutions to their pain points. You don't need to be salesy. I'm not a salesperson, really. I just provide value. People find my videos and they buy from me. Okay? So I'm going to give you some examples. The second thing is you want to get in front of people. It's kind of like the first one, but for people who are already looking to buy something, so that they're kind of at the end of their search. They're looking for information on just to kind of validate, like, this is a good thing for me to buy. So that's where reviews come in. You can find a niche that you're passionate about and search to see if there's affiliate programs. There's affiliate programs for everything that you might be interested in. So let's say, I'm going to give you some examples. Like if you're interested in photography, you can search photography affiliate programs. So you could have your whole channel about photography, providing value to people on that particular subject, and then have an affiliate program having to do with photography. Or Amazon, of course, Amazon affiliates, you get anywhere from 4 to 10%. And there's all kinds of products that you could review on photography and receive a commission. You could do tech reviews. You could have a cooking YouTube video, YouTube channel. Let me show you an example of that. There's this, it's called Postal Barbecue, and all of his videos are about barbecue. Some recipes, different things like that. So like, for example, this one here, well, I'm sure all of his have links to his Amazon affiliate program. So you can see that he has this where he's got all his barbecue accessories. So when people buy this, he makes a commission. So that's a really good example there. So if you're maybe into coffee and you're going to have your whole channel around coffee, this is an example here, but of something that people may be searching for. Like if they're going to be buying something, like maybe you want to review one product versus another, like which one is better, but some keywords that they may be searching for if they're going to be buying is cheap and best. So an example here is cheap Verismo pods, and Sean did a review on why do these work.
Good grammar and spelling are,
or how do they work with Starbucks. And then he has a link right here to the pods. Okay, so that's an example. And you want to give them tips on the journey to buying, that they're valuable, add valuable, and they'll buy from you just because they're glad that they found your video and helped them make a buying decision. So let's see, an example is like if somebody's wanting to look what Christmas lights are best outside. Let's see. Christmas lights. Well, this is one for 2017, but they're looking to see what are the best Christmas lights. That's not a good example. What Christmas lights are best outside. So you do a review on that. Put a link to an Amazon product. Here we go. 10 best Christmas lights 2017. And then this isn't linking back to their Amazon page, but right here they're linking back to a blog, and they're reviewing all these Christmas lights. And then if you click on that, it will take you to Amazon, and they'll make a commission when you buy this particular set of lights. Couple other examples. This channel here, Fight Mediocrity, they almost have 1 million subscribers, but they do a lot of reviews on books, like this one right here. And you can see that links to an Amazon affiliate product, the book. I have one out there. I'll show you. I'll do this in an incognito window. If you search the new psycho-cybernetics, you'll find that I am down here a little ways. And I have a video, this one here. I have a link to the Amazon, an Amazon link. It's a CD series right here. $39. I make money from this from time to time. This is a video that I put out there 6 years ago, but it still gets me sales. I think the other day I had a $5 commission on it, so it's not a lot of money. That's the thing about Amazon affiliate program. I mean, it's like I said, anywhere from 4 to 10%. So, but it is something. If you could, if you have one channel, it's just based around something that you're passionate about, and you have like photography, that's a great niche, I think, because you can provide a lot of information about how to do things, and people are finding that of value. And then you have last thing is have a call to action at the end of your video. And I find that people don't always do this. You want to make sure at the end of your video you direct them to a link to purchase or to find out more information, and then people will buy from you. I am proof of that. So this is a great way on how to make money on YouTube with affiliate marketing. I hope you found some value from this. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. And again, if you want to learn more information about how to make money online, make sure you click the subscribe button. Also, if you want to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online, what's working very well for me and a lot of other people, that'll be the first link in the description below this video. You can check it out if you'd like. With that being said, this is Karen Merrill signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.